Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Autodesk educational products. So open your web browser, go to autodesk.com/education, click on free software, scroll down to where it says Get It Now Individual License. If you already have an Autodesk account, you can sign in with that account, or you may need to create a new account. For this example, I'll create an account. I'll choose my country. I'm going to choose my role, choose my institution type, post-secondary, my date of birth, then click Next. Type in your name, your email address, type your email address in again, and your password, and agree to the terms. Click Create Account. Now go into your mailbox and verify your Autodesk account. You can click Done. We're going to type in the name of the educational institution. So we're going to choose New Brunswick Community College. We're going to choose the area of study, which if you're taking civil engineering, it's going to be the engineering option. Pick the start and end date. And click Next. Okay, I guess we have to choose a date that's in the past. Try that. Okay. Okay, so we're going to verify our information and click Verify. And now here it's asking for us to upload some examples of documentation to prove that you are a student. So here I'm going to upload my verification document. And then I'm going to click Submit. So it says here that it might take 20 minutes to complete and to keep an eye on your email for next steps. So after about a half an hour or so, in my case, I got an email saying that I was verified. So now I returned back to the Autodesk website and I have this pop up. So I'm going to click Get Autodesk Software. I'm going to choose my license type, so deploy without network server. You may want to check with your instructor to see which version they are teaching. In this example, I'm just going to choose 2021. Choose our operating system and our language. Then I'll get a serial number and a product key. This information will also be emailed to you for further reference. You can just click Download Now and then click Run. So you may get an user account control prompt. If that's the case, then either click OK or enter your administrator account. And then you should see the downloader, so click I agree and install. Then you may see this screen, just click OK. Then you'll see this save download dialog box, so you can just let it save in the default that it's presenting to you here. Click OK. It'll proceed to download. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take quite a while. Now once it's done downloading, you may get another user account control prompt, so you can just click OK or enter your administrator account. And then the AutoCAD installer will appear. You can click Install. You can choose your country. Click I accept and then Next. And then click Install. And this installation process may also take quite a while. So after the install is complete, you'll see this screen. You can click on Launch Now. AutoCAD will begin to launch. Okay, so once AutoCAD has launched, you can sign in with your Autodesk ID. You can choose already have a license. We're going to enter a serial number. And this is the information that sent to you in an email. Click on the Activate button. Grab the serial number from the email that was sent to you, and you can either copy and paste it in here or type it in. Click Next. Some wonkiness is happening here. Okay, and then it should show, in your case, you'll probably only see one. And if all goes well, it'll say that you're successfully activated. Thank you for watching.